What does financial freedom really mean? It's not just about being rich. It's about having choices, about living life on your own terms. Imagine waking up without the dread of debt. Picture pursuing your passions without financial limitations. That's true freedom. Financial freedom is about security. It's knowing you can weather any storm. It's about providing for your loved ones and their future. It's peace of mind, knowing your basic needs are always met. This freedom empowers you to live a life of purpose and impact. Financial freedom is different for everyone. It's not a one-size-fits-all goal. Your vision of freedom might include early retirement, travel, or starting your own business. It's about identifying what truly matters to you and aligning your finances with your dreams. Take a moment to envision your ideal life. What would you do if money were no object? Write it down. This is your starting point. This is your why. Now let's build the roadmap to get you there. Imagine a life free from financial stress. Picture yourself making choices based on your desires, not your limitations. That's the transformative power of financial freedom. It's not just about money, it's about the freedom it unlocks. Financial freedom empowers you to pursue your passions. Want to start a business? Travel the world? Financial security gives you the freedom to say yes to opportunities that excite you. It allows you to invest in your self-growth and explore your full potential. Financial freedom strengthens your relationships. Money worries can strain even the strongest bonds. Achieving financial security removes this burden, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: connection, love, and shared experiences. Ultimately, financial freedom is about living a life of purpose. When you're not consumed by financial worries, you can focus on making a difference. You can give back to your community, support causes you care about, and leave a lasting legacy. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step: taking control of your finances. It's time to shift from feeling overwhelmed to feeling empowered. It's time to become the architect of your financial future. The first step is simple: track your spending. Where is your money going each month? Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or a simple notebook. Awareness is key. Once you understand your spending habits, you can identify areas for improvement. Next, create a budget that works for you. Don't think of a budget as restrictive. Think of it as a roadmap to your goals. Allocate your income towards your needs, wants, and savings. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. Finally, set realistic financial goals. Start with achievable milestones. Do you want to pay off a credit card? Build an emergency fund? Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Celebrate each victory along the way. Creating a budget doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. Think of it as a financial plan, guiding you towards your goals. It's about making conscious choices about your spending and saving. Start by identifying your income and expenses. Track your spending for a month to understand where your money is going. Categorize your expenses: housing, transportation, food, entertainment, etc. This will give you a clear picture of your current financial situation. Next, distinguish between needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, groceries, and utilities. Wants are things that enhance your life but aren't essential, like dining out or entertainment subscriptions. Prioritize your needs while still allocating funds for your wants. The 50-30-20 budget is a great starting point. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your individual circumstances and financial goals. Remember, it's about finding what works best for you. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back from financial freedom, but remember, you have the power to break free. It starts with a commitment to becoming debt-free and a strategic plan to make it happen. Start by listing all your debts: credit cards, student loans, personal loans, and so on. Note down the interest rates, minimum payments, and outstanding balances. This will give you a clear understanding of the challenge ahead. Prioritize your debts strategically. There are two main approaches: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first for motivation. The avalanche method prioritizes high-interest debts to save money in the long run. Explore debt consolidation options. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate can simplify your payments and save money. Research balance transfer credit cards or personal loan options. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth and achieving lasting financial freedom. It's about putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow over time. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and generate returns. Start by understanding the basics of investing. Educate yourself on different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Learn about risk tolerance, diversification, and investment strategies. There are countless resources available online and in libraries. Consider low-cost index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. They offer a diversified investment portfolio at a low cost, making them a popular choice for both beginner and seasoned investors. Explore retirement savings plans. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s or open an individual retirement account, IRA. These accounts offer tax advantages and help you build a nest egg for your golden years. Meet Sarah, a single mother who transformed her financial life. Overwhelmed by debt and living paycheck to paycheck, she felt trapped. But Sarah decided to take control. She started tracking her spending, created a budget, and began tackling her debts one by one. Sarah cut back on unnecessary expenses and found creative ways to earn extra income. She sold unused items online, started a side hustle as a freelance writer, and negotiated a lower rate on her car insurance. Slowly but surely, she started to gain ground. As her debt decreased, Sarah began investing. She started small, contributing to her employer's 401(k) plan, and opening a low-cost index fund account. She committed to learning about investing and making informed decisions about her money. Today, Sarah is debt-free and building a secure future for herself and her children. She's living proof that financial freedom is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. Sarah's story is an inspiration to us all. Section 8. Expert Insights. Tips for financial success. Seeking guidance from financial experts can provide valuable insights and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Here are some tips from the pros to help you make smart financial decisions. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures consistent progress towards your goals. Don't be afraid to negotiate for better rates and deals. Lower interest rates on credit cards, better deals on insurance premiums, or lower prices on big-ticket purchases can significantly reduce your expenses. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Live below your means, even as your income grows. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, resist the urge to inflate your spending. Instead, channel the extra income towards your financial goals. Saving, investing, or paying off debt faster. Section 9. The power of sharing, announcing your goals. Sharing your financial goals with others can be a powerful motivator. It creates accountability and opens the door for support and encouragement from your network. Don't underestimate the power of community on your journey to financial freedom. Start by identifying your why. Why is financial freedom important to you? What are you working towards? Having a clear purpose will fuel your determination and inspire others. Share your vision with passion and conviction. Find an accountability partner or join a support group. Having someone to share your progress with, celebrate milestones, and offer encouragement can make a world of difference. Look for online communities or local groups focused on personal finance. Use social media to your advantage. Share your financial goals and progress on social media platforms. Document your journey, share resources, and connect with others who are on a similar path. You never know who you might inspire. Section 10. Your journey starts today. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. It's time to take control of your finances and create the life you deserve. The power to change your financial destiny lies within you. Embrace the challenge with enthusiasm. View this journey not as a sacrifice but as an empowering adventure. It's about aligning your money with your values and creating a life of purpose, freedom, and abundance. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on making small, consistent progress each day. Track your spending, create a budget, tackle your debts, and start investing. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge your accomplishments no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a victory worth celebrating. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and inspired. Section 11. Claim your financial destiny. Financial freedom is within your reach. It's time to claim your financial destiny and create a life of abundance, purpose, and joy. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Take action today. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Begin by implementing one small change, then another, and another. Momentum builds momentum. As you experience progress, your confidence and determination will soar. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Seek guidance from financial experts, find support from like-minded individuals, and draw inspiration from success stories. Together, we can create a world where financial freedom is attainable for all. Now go forth and create the life of your dreams.